In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Microsoft Excel. If you have data stored inside a PDF and you want to work with it in a spreadsheet, Excel makes that process much easier than many people expect. Instead of manually retyping tables, you can import the PDF directly and let Excel detect the information for you. To get started, open Microsoft Excel. You can do this in the desktop app or in your usual Excel workspace, depending on where you normally work. Once Excel is open, either start with a new workbook or open an existing one if you already know where you want the imported data to go. Starting with a blank workbook is often the easiest option if you want to review the imported content before combining it with anything else. Next, go to the Data tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where Excel places most of its import and connection tools. In the Data tab, click Get Data. From there, choose from File, and then select from PDF. This tells Excel that you want to pull information from a PDF document instead of another spreadsheet or database file. Now browse to the PDF file you want to convert. Once you find the correct file, select it and click Import. Excel will begin analyzing the PDF and identifying any tables or structured content it can recognize. Depending on the size and formatting of the PDF, this might take a few moments. After the file is processed, Excel will display the tables and pages it detects inside the PDF. This is an important part of the process because not every PDF is formatted the same way. Some files contain clean, easy-to-read tables, while others may have multiple pages or sections. Take a moment to review the detected items and select the specific table or data set you want to bring into Excel. Once you've chosen the data you need, click Load. Excel will then import that content directly into your worksheet. After the loading is complete, the PDF data will appear in Excel, where you can sort it, filter it, edit it, or use formulas just like any other spreadsheet data. If the PDF contains more than one table, you may want to repeat the selection process carefully to make sure you're bringing in the right section. It's also a good idea to quickly review the imported worksheet afterward, especially if the original PDF had complex formatting. And that's all it takes to convert a PDF into Microsoft Excel using Excel's built-in import feature.